Hey guys, T here. If you're someone trying to get more leads from LinkedIn but you're stuck doing everything manually, like scrolling profiles, copy pasting messages, waiting for replies that never come, then stay with me till the end of this video because I'm about to show you the exact system we use at Elevation X that get us over 15 plus qualified leads every single month, all automated through a single tool called Prosp.ai. This is not some random tutorial. This is literally the setup that fuels our LinkedIn outreach every day. Alright, let's dive right in. When you open Prosp.ai, it redirects you straight to the main dashboard and honestly it looks super clean. Right here you'll see campaigns, contacts, inbox, settings and analytics. In the campaigns you'll see where all your automations live and contacts where your leads are stored. In the inbox where you'll see every reply and the analytics to track your results. And just below that, you'll also see a quick links like community, affiliate, API, and tutorials. So everything you need from running campaigns to learning advanced tutorials is right in one place. So step one is connecting your LinkedIn account. So before you're doing anything, make sure your LinkedIn profile is properly optimized because if your profile doesn't look trustworthy, even the best automation tool won't save you. So check your profile photo, make your headline clear and add a short bio that shows what you do. Now to connect your LinkedIn, go to settings, then click add LinkedIn account. You will see three options. The first one is connect with credentials. Just put your LinkedIn credentials like login and password and you're done. And the second option is connect with extension. This is super helpful if you don't remember your credentials. Once you click it, a pop-up box will ask you a few questions about your LinkedIn account. Just fill that in and Prosp will automatically find your accounts and connect it. It usually takes less than 5 minutes if you give the correct info and OTP. So the third option is pretty much same as the second, just another backup method. So once it's connected, your LinkedIn account is successfully added to the Prosp. Simple as that. So step number 2, creating a campaign. Now let's create your first outreach campaign. Click on campaigns, then hit create campaign. So give it a name, something like SaaS Founders Outreach November, like the way. So a small pop-up will appear with the different lead source options. You can also upload your lead list from your computer. Choose from my list the ones you have already saved in your Prosp. Use LinkedIn search by pasting the search URL. Pull contacts from the lead finder. Import leads from Sales Navigator or even choose leads from a LinkedIn group, post or events like the way. So basically wherever your audience exists, you can target them directly from here. Once you have ordered your source, you'll enter the Builder tab and this is where you design your full outreach workflow. Here you'll see the actions like visit profile, like the last post, comment the last post, send connection requests, send messages, wait some times, add tags, send emails and send voice notes and reply comments and more. It's like building your own smart assistant that runs your LinkedIn for you. Now select which account should send the messages. And if you are stuck with writing, don't worry. Prosp already has tons of AI copywriting prompts built in. So just search for what you want like friendly outreach or curious opener and drop it right into the sequence. So for example, I'm just typing like hi first name and so you can also clean your first name and last name here also. If you have a quotations or a need to remove some extra words, you'll just do this by searching the prompt like first name cleaner. Just click that. This will automatically clean your first name variables and then just put comma and adding the personalized opening line about the last post the prospect have posted. So searching for this, just include it and click save. That's it. So after that you'll need to set your time schedule. By default it sets to UTC, but here is a quick tip. If you're targeting people in US, make sure you compare UTC with their time zone. For example, if you're targeting EST, that's usually UTC 5. So you can schedule your messages to go out during their working hours. That tiny adjustments can literally double your reply rate. So once that's done, double check your flow and hit run. And just like that, your first campaign is live. So step number 3 is contact tab. Alright, now go to the contact section. This is where all your leads data lives, the one you have uploaded or generated. You can easily filter by campaigns, tags or lead sources. It's perfect for keeping everything organized, especially when you're running multiple campaigns at once. And step number 4, inbox tab. Next, we have go to the inbox. Honestly, one of my favorite parts. This is where you'll see every single reply from your campaign You can filter messages by account or campaigns and tag your replies as interested, not interested, information request, and so on. So you can even create a custom tags with colors, which makes it super easy to track warm leads. There's also a reminder option here, so you can set a follow-up reminder for a specific prospect without having to note it down anywhere else. It just keeps your entire outreach flow organized and distraction free. Step number 5, settings tab. Now let's go back into settings. This section lets you fully customize your workspace. Under general, you can tweak workspace details like first name, last name, workspace name and all. In the account section, you can add up to 10 LinkedIn accounts per workspace. Perfect if you are managing multiple clients. So then under members, you can add your teammates like how we have our outreach team at Elevation X. So in billing, you will see your current plan and payment details. And here is something super cool, the voice cloning feature. So you can literally clone your own voice or your team member's voice and use it to send automated voice notes in your outreach. So you don't have to record the same thing over and over. The AI handles it with your own tone. Once everything's set, you're basically running a full stack outreach system without touching anything manually. Step number 6 is tutorials, API, and affiliate tabs. If you're just starting out, definitely visit the tutorial tab. They have got quick videos and workflow examples that show you how to use every single feature inside Prosp. Then there is a API section, which is for connecting Prosp with your own tools if you are into automations. And the affiliate tab, where you can grab your referral link and earn a little extra by sharing the tool with others. And that's it. That's how you can use Prosp.ai to run LinkedIn outreach on complete autopilot. At Elevation X, this exact setup brings us a steady flow of qualified leads every month, and the best part is it runs while we sleep. So you can automate connection requests and personalize every messages, track replies, and still sound completely human. So if you're serious about scaling your business on LinkedIn, this tool is 100% worth your time. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to share my exact workflow templates, the same ones that are bringing in 15 plus lead every month. Thanks for watching. This is G signing off. Go automate, start, connect authentically, and scale like a pro. See you in the next one. Bye.